All of you, thank you very much for coming to a free event featuring. We have a gentleman coming here from Pune, Prasad Chausalkar. He was a semi-finalist in Saregama in 1998, and we have him here today in Portland for another 2 or 3 weeks. So we wanted to make sure that he would get a chance to be here and show his skills and get all jazzed up. I wanted to welcome him, and of course I wanted to quickly have a few words about Sur Aur Sabtak. Again, this started in October in 2011. That's when the conception happened. The first delivery was on February 2012. Today's artists are going to be Prasad Chausalkar, Malavi, Mudigonda, Usha and Sai Prasad, Priya Venugopal and Anil Prakasam, me, and Anup Tatte and Vinod Natarajan. I think one thing I wanted to let you know that what differentiates this group against others is really all of us donate our own time, and the cost is 2%, but that's even going down when we do our next program to 0%. So every dollar goes to charity. That's, I think, the positive part. Even today we are going to, as during intermission, we'll have tea and samosas. They will go to Seva Foundation and through Oregon Health Sciences University. Just wanted to let you know, last year when you guys came, this particular auditorium was really full, and the money that we collected last year, you'll be surprised, to do a pediatric cataract operation in India costs only about $100 to $120. And as a result, we will be able to help over 60 blind young children, giving them sight. And we are of the firm belief. Thank you very much. And we, as I believe, I think every child who gets a vision, you're enabling them to become productive citizens. And that's at the bottom of all this effort, there's just a simple thought: to be able to give somebody a vision, and secondly, to raise a child and make them able so that they can flourish in their life. This pediatric work has already started, and so around May or June time frame, I'll be able to actually produce the names of 60 people who I'll probably cover up their last names. But if you're interested, you can actually go and see these people. So this is work that's being done. This is a quick, you may not be able to see this in an eye chart, but this is Christy Thomas. She's an Associate Director of Development in KCI Institute. You can see these 3 bullet points. I'll put this on the web as well. And she is acknowledging here that the funds will be used to complete 50 to 60 surgeries this year itself. I'm going to quickly sit through because we are starting late. I'm very happy you're all here. Have fun. This is again meant to be a family program. The only children can add, sing, dance, whatever. Please, the only restriction is don't come on the stage or up here because there are a lot of wires, and we want to be really careful about child safety. So as long as that's the only restriction, there's one more restriction that I'll talk about. By the way, clapping and dancing is not only expected, it's mandatory. So all of you have to join. I'll be brief again. Kids' safety is number one. So please, parents, if you are responsible for your child, make sure that they are safe. The second point is very, very important. This is literally a $250,000 to $500,000 worth of auditorium. It has been given to us free. So there is food and drinks. The food and drink that's going to be sold outside, Intel normally does not allow. I have a special permission from our Vice President of HR, Richard Taylor. So we are very clear, we are pretty okay to sell food here. I have the permission. Normally my rule is, look around you, whatever condition your surroundings are, when you leave, make sure your surroundings look exactly like when you came before. No access beyond front lobby unless you have an Intel badge. If you something in, make sure at the end you leave. Look around and take everything. Don't leave pieces of paper, plastic, nothing. And please, 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 don't bring food inside. Water is okay. Juices and Coke, if you come along, anything that has sugar, please don't bring. And the very last thing before we jump in, please respect the property so that we can continue to get this auditorium for as many years as possible in the future. So I want to get started. I would like to bring the entire set of singers here. We are going to start as usual with a Ganesh Prarthana and then we'll start our program.